Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In 2024, if you are looking for a beginner friendly, easy to understand WIX tutorial, then this video is perfect for you where you can learn step-by-step instructions on how to create a website. So let's get started. And the first thing you have to do is go to this URL smarthelpguides.com/wix and press enter. So this will directly take you to the WIX sign up page where you will have to first create a WIX account to use. It's very simple to do. Just fill your email and select a password and then click on sign up. I'm going to create a new account with my email and password and then click on sign up. And I would not recommend you to select these options. Using an email for creating an account is always a better choice. Now in next step, WIX will ask you some questions that will help you in quickly creating a website. So for example, here I will select the first option. I am creating a website for myself, then click continue. Now WIX will prompt you to use their AI. As every other company, they are also trying to integrate AI into the process. But I would suggest you to use the templates method. That is much simpler and better than using AI, at least at the moment. So I will click on setup without chat, and then from here search for the type of business for which you want to create your website. If you want to create a portfolio, if you want a blog, or if you're a consultant, a restaurant, then you can select the type of business. For example, I will select bakery. And now WIX will show you the options related to that, what you are looking for. And then from here you can see there are so many options: bakery, baking portfolio, wedding bakery, wholesale bakery, normal cookie shop, dessert shop, all the related templates. So for this example, I'm going to select the first option and then click on continue. Now in next step, you have to enter a name for your business. For example, I will name it Fresh Bakery. Then click on continue. Also, you can always edit these options, as you can see from here. If you do not like the name you chose, then you can come back here and edit that name. Now WIX will ask you some more questions about your business. You can either answer them or you can also opt to skip them. For example, I will continue to skip it and I will answer this question, continue. So depending on the type of website you are creating, WIX will ask you different questions, and if you want to answer them, that's fine. If you do not want to, then you can skip them and just close this. In this tutorial, we are only going to use the free option. So I will close this upgrade option and we can get a custom domain later if we want. For now, let's start designing our website. For that, go to this option, design site, and click here. Now I would suggest you to use the customize the template option rather than going with the AI. It's much easier with the template option. You can also see a lot of different templates and pick the design you like rather than going with the AI thing, which is not really very good at the moment. So I click on pick a template. Now you can see here we search for this bakery option and there are so many templates available, and you can browse through these templates. There are 3 pages, so we can also go to the next page and see if we like some other template. If you do not like the template suggested by WIX for the term you have searched for, then you can also go to all templates, or you can search for a different thing here. You can also search for the business types from here. There are so many options, or the type of website you want to create, like for an e-commerce store or a blog or community or creative. So you can do all of that. If you have selected this bakery option earlier, doesn't mean you have to select a template only suggested by WIX. Then you can pick any template and edit everything you want. For this example, I think I'm going to use the first template. So let's preview this first. Click on edit the site. When you are trying to edit the site for the first time, it will take some time to load all the templates and options. Once that is done, then from next time it will be much quicker. Now you can see the template we selected is ready to be edited. And again, Wix will prompt you to use the AI thing, but I would just close it here. And now we can start designing our website. So currently it looks like this, and Wix will also show you a little guide to help you understand and get started with creating your website. So here you can see we have all the elements. So if you want to add an element, then we can go here. So everything is a drag and drop based thing. So if you want to edit this, then you have to just select it here, and then you will see this quick edit option. And if you click here, then it will show you this. We can edit this, we can manage menu from here. This is the menu. So if I want to edit the menu, I just have to go here, select it, and just double click it, and it will start showing all the options related to that. For example, I can change its setting, and you can see here this is the site menu, home page, menu, about, contact. And if you want to add a new page here, for example, this I will click here, and then again you have all these options available. For example, I want to add a service page, then Wix will start showing you all the ready-made templates here. So this will help you getting started instead of just designing a page completely from blank. So for example, I want to add this option here, so I can first preview this, and it will look like this. Then if I want to add it to my website, then I have to select this add page. Now you can see here we have a services page, and if you want, we can also edit it. And as you are editing, Wix will automatically save the changes you have done. So, and then it will prompt you to pick a domain. So we can do that later. I will close it and first design the website. Okay. So if I want to rearrange this, then simply I can just drag and drop it here. And just to make it look like all the menu, I will edit this and make it all caps and then click on done. That's how now it all looks same. So that's how we can add a page to our website. And now let's go back to the home page. So if you want to edit a page, then you cannot go from here. You have to go to this option and then select the page you want to edit. For example, I want to edit the home page. And similarly, if you go down here, if you want to replace this image, you just have to select this and you will get this change background option. Click here, then click on image. Here in this explore section, you can see all the media from Wix. And if you want to upload files directly from your computer, then you can select this option, upload media. Then from here you will get all these options to upload from Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, everything. I will select upload from computer. So these are the images I have prepared for this project. So I'm just going to select all these images. You can also select only one image at a time, or you can select all images and then continue to use them on your website. I've selected all these images and then I will select on open, and all these images will be uploaded. So this will save a lot of time and I don't have to upload each image every time I need it. Now you can see the images have been uploaded, and I want to select this image and click on change background. So that's how simple it is. Now you can see this text is in black, so you cannot see this text. So I will have to select this text and then I can simply edit this. Click on edit. And from here, I want to change its color to white. Okay, if you want to make it bold or change the font or change the font size, you can also do it from here. All these options are available and it is very easy to use. Okay, similarly, I want to also change this tagline, so I will double click here, click on edit, and from here I will change its color to white. Okay, And if I want to change its position, I can also simply select it and drag and drop it anywhere I want. I can also add a new text here if I want. So for the example, I will go to new elements, and then from here I can add a text element, title, paragraph, this collapsible text and all this. If I want to add an image, if I want to add a button here, then also I can do that. For example, let's add a button here, and in button also you will see all these multiple options. Wix provides you a lot of just ready to use things, which makes it really easy to use. So for example, I want to use this button here. I will select it, okay, and it's very easy. I can just drag and drop it anywhere I want. I can also make it big or small. So when you're dragging it, you will see a line like this. It means that now it is in center. Now I can select this button and go to its settings, or I can quickly link it here. So for example, I want to link it to a different page. I can also link it to a phone number or my email, or I can link it to a different page. For example, I want it to go to services page or the contact page actually, because I don't have a shop page right now on the website. So I will just link it to contact page. So anytime someone clicks here, it will redirect them to the contact us page. And similarly, you can drag down and edit, basically select what you want to change and edit anything you want. Also, if you want to add some more sections, then you can go from add elements here. Okay, so there is a list, embed code, social media, payments, and all the stuff. And from the add section option, I will select the section I want and simply drag and drop it here. This option is a lot easier to use. You can see here. And if I want to add another section, first I will select this section, and then you will see this option of add a section. So wherever you want to add a new section, just select the section below it. Then when you move your mouse over this area, you will see this add section option. Similarly, if you want to add a section below this section, then you can simply move your mouse here. Then you will see this add section option here. And from here you can select anything you want. For example, I will select a business info or testimonials and simply drag and drop it here. So this way it is much easier to add new sections to the pages. Now let's try to edit another page here. For example, let's go to the menu page. Now here you can see our current menu, and if I want to edit it, I have to just select this menu option. From here I will get the manage menu options, and from there I can replace the images, the prices, the name of the items, add new items, delete items, anything I want to do. And similarly you can edit all the other pages on your website. It's really easy, and just not to make the tutorial very long, I will quickly show you all the options available. So yeah, I have already shown you how you can quickly replace this images and text. It's simply drag and drop. Just select the thing you want to edit, and you can directly edit it. On the left sidebar here, you will see all the options that you need. We have seen the elements. If you want to add a section from here, this is the shortcut to do that. From here you can add the text thing, and from here you can change the site pages and menu settings. From here you can change the site design, you can change the theme. From here, this is the current theme. If you want to change the theme, then select here, and this is quickly allows you to change the color scheme of your website. For example, if I select this dynamic, then you will see this changes, and it will automatically change the color of your button and everything to match this theme. So I will use the current theme, and from here you can access the Wix app market. So example, you want to add tools for like contact form, mobile live chat, and a lot of other tools like payment option, Wix video, Wix gallery, restaurant menu, forms and payments. There are a lot of apps available which helps you extend the functionality of your website. So you can do that from here. Some of the apps are free, some are paid, and but the free options are enough for creating a website. So you can try, explore. No credit card is required to try this WIX website. And if you like this website, then you can upgrade to the paid option if that is required for your requirements, or you can continue to use the free website. And all the media files you have uploaded can be accessed from here. This is the shortcut, and from here this is the CMS option. We are not going to use it, and all the site settings are available from this area. Also, if you go to site here, you can save it, preview, publish it, which we will do later. Also, if you want to create a new site or duplicate, and you can access also the dashboard from here. Then in the settings here, you can connect your domain, SEO, favicons. For example, favicon is this icon here. For example, you are seeing this WIX logo here. So this is the favicon thing, and let's change that. Click on upload image. I will go to site files here because I have already uploaded it. So if you have not uploaded it, then you will have to use this upload media option and then select. So I will select this option, click on add icon, and that's done. Click on save. Close this. Let's go back to the settings. From here, you can also add your business information, marketing, site password. If you want to add more roles and permissions, so if you want more people to edit your website, so you can do that from here. And this is the error pages, privacy and cookies and stuff like that. Okay. So once you have done that, I would suggest you to first go once to the dashboard area. From here, select the site you want to edit. I want to edit my fresh bakery website. From here, if you want to add a domain, then you can do that from here. And this is the design site option. And from here on the left sidebar, you can access a lot of more settings related to your website, especially marketing, analytics. You can do that from here. You can see all the traffic on your website and other analytics, and also you can access the setting option from here. So here you can add your business info like your business name, location, contact information. So this will help you in SEO. Now let's go back to the website, and once you have completed all the steps, then you can preview your website. And you can see this is how our website looks right now. Let's go to the home page. You can see this is how our website looks on mobile, and all the text looks perfectly in place. So I think we can try to see if we can also check other pages. Okay, so this is the home page, and this one also looks quite good on mobile. So I think this is good, and we can again check it on the desktop version and make sure that everything is correct, and then we can publish our website. And if you think there is some issue and you want to edit it, then you can go back to the editor option, or you can use the publish mode. After publishing, this website will be visible to everyone with this URL. So let's visit our website and see how it looks. You can see this is the website we have published, and it looks really professional. Wix really makes it easy to create website for beginners. You do not have to be a very tech person or a designer, because creating a website from scratch is really difficult task, and Wix makes it really easy for basically anyone to create a simple website. It may not have a lot of advanced options, but it is perfect for a lot of use cases, and you should definitely try this once to see if it will fit your use case, and then continue to use it if it does. And if it doesn't, then you can look for other options. So now you can see all our other pages are also loading, and the website is also quite fast. There is also a contact option, and it looks really good. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful and it helped you in getting started with Wix. Please post your feedback in the comments, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.